Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link your pages on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on one of my sites, and let's say I go to pages and I want to link some certain pages. Rather, I'm going to create a new page. I'm just going to create a link page just like that, and it's going to be blank, and I'm going to link something to this page. Now, we have this page, and we have to go ahead and go into settings, and we're going to need to copy our URL slug. So this is /link -page. Now, once we have that, we're going to go into any of our other pages. And let's say I want to link it through this page. We're going to click on edit, and we're going to go down, and now I'm going to go down into the footer. I'm going to go ahead and add a new section, and I'm going to add a blank section for this. And here you can add a block, and what we're going to add is a button, for example. You can then go ahead and modify this button however you want, modify its appearance. I'm just going to make it very, very big. And once we have this button, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on edit. Here you can click on design or content, and rather this is one relatively more complicated method. You can attach a link to the button here. However, if you just click on the button, click on this icon over here, you can edit the link. Here, as you can see, you have URL selected, and it's gonna immediately just assume it's on this URL. So we just need to enter our link slug, and you can open it in a new tab or on this tab. It really doesn't matter. But now our button is linked. And now if I go back into the preview, go ahead and locate that button and click on that button. It's going to link me to the link page, and that's exactly all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.